Want to know who you're really targeting and why they matter? With Salesgenie's Insights feature, you don't just get data, you get direction. Start by creating and saving your lead list, or jump into one you've already built. Then click the Insights tab at the top left of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Salesgenie instantly transforms your list into visual snapshots of key firmographics. You'll see breakdowns by sales volume, number of employees, years in business, and more. Find out who your customers are fast. You don't need a data expert. Use insights to see patterns, focus your outreach, and learn which groups respond the best. With just one click, you get a high-level overview of your audience and the insights to act with confidence. Salesgenie's Insights feature turns raw data into smart strategy, so you always know who you're reaching and how to reach them better.